For now, let's compare this Soundpeats Air4 Pro with my older Soundpeats Capsule3 Pro. This newer Air4 Pro has lots of improvement when we compare to the previous version. The design of the speaker tips on the Air4 Pro is slightly pointier, which helps us fit the earbuds into our ear canal a little bit better. The overall size of the earbuds is smaller and the stem is thinner as well. While the overall size is smaller, the internal speaker is actually bigger. The Air4 Pro has a bigger speaker driver. It's 13mm instead of the 12mm in the Capsule3 Pro. I did a speaker test comparison by connecting both the Capsule3 Pro and the Air4 Pro to my Galaxy S23 Ultra at the same time and outputting the audio to both sets of earbuds. I then wear one of the Capsule3 earbuds on my left ear and one of the Air4 Pro on my right ear. And I can confirm, because of the 13mm driver, the bass is a lot stronger, the mids is richer, and the treble is clearer. I'm not sure if it is just because of the 1mm driver size difference, or the sound processing codec is actually different. But in any case, it's good to know that the newer Air4 Pro definitely sounded better than the Capsule3 Pro. And like I mentioned earlier, it has a more compact size, and it feels lighter in the ear too. I put in effort to share meaningful content on my channel. You can help by tapping on the like button of this video so it can be useful to an even wider audience. Watch this video next where I test out the Soundpeats Air4 Pro Bluetooth 5.3 multi-device switching feature. I'll see you over there.